Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. I made red beans and rice, and we are going to need some cornbread. As you all know, cornbread goes with red beans and rice. And so let's get started. We're going to need self-rising white cornmeal. That's what I use. It's getting to be hard to find in the store. You can use yellow if you want. But this is what I use while I can. For our cornbread, we want to get our oven preheated to 425. For this, you're going to need 2 cups of your cornbread mix, 1 egg beaten, and then 1.5 cups milk, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. You are also going to need 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil or some kind of shortening in your 10-inch cast iron skillet. Okay, so we're going to add everything together. And then we're going to mix this really good. Once your oven reaches 425, you want to put your skillet with your shortening in for about 3 minutes. You want to melt that shortening. And you want it to coat the bottom of the pan also. Shortening has melted. You want to pour the excess into your batter and stir that up really well. Or whisk it up really well. And then pour it into your hot skillet. And then we're going to put that in the oven and bake it for about 25 minutes. Alright, it's been 25 minutes. So let's get this flipped over. There we go. Perfect. Then I just take some butter and I go over the top. About a half a stick. This is going to be so good. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Let me know how your recipe turns out if you decide to make this cornbread. This is a cornbread that my mom made, and I'm sure her mother and grandmother and everyone else made it. So it's great with red beans and rice, or with just cornbread and milk. My mom eats that a lot. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and again, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.